You're gonna miss out on the waterfall.
Yeah.
The other side, this is not like proper, like really. Oh, this is the waterfall, right?
This is so pretty. And it's making so much noise.
Thank you so much water. Exit point.
Okay.
So I want to take you to my favorite spot. Did you see my favorite spot? Right?
Okay.
One of my other favorite spots.
No problem.
That girl, she just picked it up, eh?
Pick what up?
Her friend was when you were talking about for why we smoke.
Oh.
When you said you've quit, now I get given, and I think I only smoke when this. About the sentence like, yeah, you smoke when this and this and this and this happens. The reason, like,
What did she say?
Adding to what you were saying,
Oh.
she was saying, yeah, you smoke it so that you can feel. You're not like us who smoke daily, you know. So I used to sit here. Eh?
Where?
I think it's here. It was there. I think. Oh man.
It doesn't look the same.
Hmm?
It doesn't look the
water
same.
was so clean.
I want to drink this water.
I'm gonna drink it slowly.
Okay.
Okay, here's Sunday. Yeah, man. It looks like there were heavy rains. Where did that come from? See, looks matted, no? I thought there was loads of water. What happened? Mother Nature? What happened? So we can either turn left up the stairs or we can just continue going.
Yes, please. Yes, plural.
Not,
Yours, plural.
not much. Just continue and do it left.
Is this us going back to the waterfall?
Kind of, but not too, yeah. Because
Okay.
you can hear the waterfall from here, right?
Yeah.
So it's just the next turn. Yeah. I would love to pee on this water.
You like to pee in it?
Yeah.
Really? Do you want me to help you down? So that you can do it?
Is it a what?
Do you want me to help you down so you can
No.
do it? I want to drink this water.
I want to wait and I wonder what happens.
Yeah.
I came once with Malcolm. You know Malcolm Triani, the musician?
Nope.
I came with him once here. Yo, Zanga Tabuleko, I came but it was in the morning, around about 7 o'clock or half past 6.
Yeah.
They were talking to me. So I was like, oh, I can go as far as from here.
Are you gonna pee for real?
No.
Please do.
Well, I didn't clean the day. There's loads of people. Then the next thing was talking to me.
Yeah.
I'm not getting to trouble.
But like, there's a huge part of me that wants to see you do it.
To drink.
No, pee in there.
No, no.
Me, I want to drink this water. Nna ke batla one. A ke batla go kena mo bese ka wa mo ke kgone go khutla hape. Yeah.
Okay, let me turn again.
Eh?
What am I?
Yes, please.
Yeah, no.
I'm not going in there.
I get it on Kupela too.
No. I thought you want to go in and get me some water. Uwanga murenanga. Uwanga murenanga. Uwanga murenanga. Uwanga. Yes? Yeah. Woo! What an adventure! I like this plant, hey? What is the name of this plant? Do you know?
No.
There's one growing up there on top of the mountain.
Looks like a pine.
Yeah?
Hey, Lebombo. The Lebombo what?
Sacred.
Tired. Psyched.
Yeah.
It's a psyched.
Yo!
What's up?
La nyobana luna mole. La nyobana.
That's nature.
Yeah? Bonamba. La nyobana.
What is it?
So rude, Lona.
You're making me.
Disturbing other children while they're having fun.